Appearance is the first step to building your brand. From the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand panel and then click Appearance. This is where you can create the global settings for your Norby account. Essentially, this is the default theme applied to all of your content and pages. Please note that individual pages can also be customized, but consider this the main control room for the overall design. To access the settings for each section, click the drop-down arrows. All changes can be seen on the right-hand side in the test page. Try out all sorts of customizations before you officially update your account. When you're ready to go live with your updates, simply select Publish on the right-hand side. Now, let's go through each section. In background, whatever you create here will appear as the background across all of your landing pages. You have the ability to select an image, set a color, or choose a gradient background. Additionally, you can set your default font, choose a color for your rich text and profile blocks, and assign a default color for your links. Cards are used on things like links, events, and signups within Norby. Set your card's default radius, width, shadow, and colors here. You can also customize buttons. Set your default colors, radius, and width on primary and secondary buttons here. Buttons show up on the signups, registration, and sharing buttons across your landing page. We'll finish up by going over the Appearance menu's Settings section. Pretty much the following sections under buttons all have the same components where you can edit the style by giving them a default background color, text color, border color, drop shadow color, and radius. For tooltips, this appears when someone hovers over something like a social icon or any other specific page component. Drop-downs, you'll see this used across Norby features, but one example is a share button on a specific event that you've created on your page. Snack bars. These are top-of-the-screen confirmation actions when a particular action is performed on something like a sign-up. Text inputs are used across Norby features, specifically on custom fields you may set up when creating an event. Selects, these are also used across Norby features. In this figurative scenario, envision a custom field you've created on a sign-up. Checkboxes, similarly used in a variety of places and can be formatted in the same way as all of the previously mentioned items. And lastly, metadata. This is the image that appears in the Browser tab when someone is on your landing page. By default, this is the Norby logo. You can go ahead and upload a file and enter text for what you want people to see. Let's close out by going over some preset themes we've set up for you in Norby that will do all of the appearance setup for you. Think of these as templates. There's many different styles, but for now, let's choose Neon Twist. We can click the View button to see an example. If you like what you see, you can go ahead and click Apply to publish this theme to your global settings in Appearance.